Well, today's a big day. Just got my fiber laser from OMG. Richard over there makes a pretty nice laser, it looks like. Unbox it here. I just picked it up from the DHL from the airport. We'll take a peek. Look at that simple, open it up, just a little latch. No tools required. And got a whole bunch of stuff in there, packed really tight. I think I got more than just a laser. We'll come back a little bit and get this thing out and assembled and give her a try. So I didn't quite get this thing all the way unpacked, and I just kind of thought I'd let you see. This thing is packed like it could go through a tornado. See all the styrofoam it's packed in. Got some of the stuff removed. The laser and the Galvo head is still in there along with the rotary, but got the Z-axis. Got it with a 2-axis bed. Looks like Richard threw in a 200mm spacer for that Z-axis. Totally unexpected. The bag of wiring and miscellaneous parts, foot switch, 2 extra lenses, safety glasses, and his famous squish toy that I've seen on so many of these videos. We'll finish up and come back. Alrighty, got it all in the house. Got some of it put together here. See the laser, Z-axis and the Galvo. Got a 2-axis table for it. There's the foot pedal. Rotary, extra set of jaws. Here's a 200mm riser that Richard threw in unexpectedly. Some Allen tools, safety goggles, 70mm and a 100mm lens extra. The 150 is in the head already, and my little squish toy. I work weekends, and so I got this all together. Won't be able to try it out for about 4 days here, but we'll be back.